Hi everyone! Let's talk about how to fix Hotels.com gift card not working. So to quickly fix a Hotels.com gift card that isn't working, first verify its balance on the Hotels.com balance inquiry page to ensure the card is activated and has funds. If it's still failing, try confirming the booking type. Gift cards can only be used on Pay Now or prepaid bookings, not on Pay at Hotel reservations. You can also match the currency. Make sure that the currency of the gift card matches the region or currency of the Hotels.com site you are booking through. Now check for the typos. Enter the 16-digit card number and 8-digit PIN carefully without spaces or dashes. Now if the card still fails, just go to your Hotel.com app, then tap on your account at the bottom right corner. Then scroll down to Help and Feedback. Tap Chat Now to chat with the virtual assistant of Hotels.com, or you can just simply tap Visit the Help Center to contact the customer support. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.